Understanding Banjo Repair, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of musical instruments, specifically the banjo, and understanding what it means to repair one. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will give you insights into the term banjo repair and how it's used in context. Before we talk about repairing, let's understand what a banjo is. A banjo is a stringed musical instrument with a distinctive sound, often associated with country, folk, and bluegrass music. It has a round body, a long neck, and strings that vary in number across different types of banjos. The word repair refers to the action of fixing something that is broken or damaged. When we combine it with banjo, we are talking about the process of fixing or restoring a banjo so that it can be played again. When you hear someone say they're going to repair a banjo, it means they are going to work on fixing any issues it may have. This could involve replacing strings, fixing the neck, or working on the body of the instrument. Understanding terms like banjo repair can be crucial for communication, especially if you're involved in the music community or are learning to play the banjo. Knowing this phrase can help you describe what you're doing or what you need when you're around other musicians or instrument repairers. I hope this video clarifies what banjo repair means and why it's a useful phrase to know. Remember, learning a language involves understanding the context of phrases just as much as the words themselves. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be fluent in the language of music and more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.